how do you identify the learning and development needs of an organization? And what factors do you consider when designing training programs? So alam naman natin na you are parang nag ano kayo
Team building activity, corporate trainings,
kayo
and
ng
all.
mga corporate trainings,
Yeah.
mga team building activities. So what do you consider before siguro formulating a program for a certain organization or
Okay.
corporate ano po?
Thank you for that question. Another perhaps deep answer siguro. For me, for us, nung asawa ko at least, it starts from a realization that we had like years ago. We're not actually backtracking yung parang record or history ng organization. It's coming from an assumption, and that assumption is, and pasintabi na ho, this is taboo. Let me just give this disclaimer. For sure, a lot of people who are currently working right now or leading organizations right now, I'm just gonna close my eyes, they will disagree with this. But for those who understand this, I know you will agree with me when I say it's a known fact na ngayon, 21st century, it's very challenging to identify an organization that has good leadership.
Yes.
I use the word challenging. I'm not saying na wala ng organization na may magandang leadership. Marami pa rin, I believe. There's so many organizations pa din that has top-notch, world-class leadership. Pero hindi rin natin may pagkakaila na marami din, maraming organizations ang medyo, hindi ganun kaganda ang leadership. Now, if you're asking me kung anong basis namin dyan, how did we identify that organizations need development?
Yes.
Pasensya na. It's because in my corporate career, government career, just by realizing and parang asking that personal question to me, bakit kaya maraming umaalis dun sa organization? Bakit kaya maraming nag-aawol? Maraming nagdi-discontinue kapag hindi pa sila regular? Bakit maraming nagre-resign? And I've been speaking to a lot of people in the past, informally, buti nga hindi ko rin na-record. But that is enough for me to really identify that indeed may need ang mga organizations ngayon for more. And we are actually specifically targeting leadership. To be exact, we are part of our trainings or sinisingit namin doon sa corporate trainings namin are something about purposeful leadership and intentional communication. Basically, yun yung topics namin. We also believe in that context, organizational development, we strongly believe that communication and leadership and communication is interconnected or is highly connected with each other. Ang laki ng role ng leadership sa organization.